My name's Jess if you're new. I make fashion, lifestyle, and beauty content here on YouTube. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to click the subscribe button and subscribe. Also be sure to follow me on my social medias. I'll have all of them linked down below in the description bar. So today's Vlogmas video is going to be a last minute gift idea video. All of the products that I mentioned you can find on Amazon. I'll have everything linked in my Amazon storefront. So if anything that I mention sparks your interest, be sure to click the link to go straight to my Amazon storefront to purchase these items. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Christmas is literally coming up. It's next week. And if you're anything like me, you're last minute, okay? Really, I'm like the biggest procrastinator. It always ends up working out. That's like a bad trait of mine. But yeah, so this is perfect for if you are last minute. And before I get into it, this is things that you could get for her. If you want me to do one of these videos like for him, last minute gift ideas for guys, let me know. But let's go ahead and get straight on into this list. So the first thing, if you're shopping for a girl who is into YouTube, social media, get her some stuff for her business. Studio lighting, get her a tripod, okay, for her filming. I'm using one now that I'll have linked in my Amazon. I absolutely love it. It's great for whenever I'm filming my YouTube videos, and it's also great for whenever I'm taking my pictures. It's a Bluetooth tripod. They're very inexpensive. You can find them on Amazon, all right? And they come in so much handy. So yeah, if she's into stuff like that, get her a nice studio lighting kit, okay? And get her a tripod for filming. If she is into fashion, if she is into style, go get her the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. I got that bag a few months ago, and when I tell y'all, I wear it literally every single day. It's the perfect bag for traveling, and it's the perfect work bag. It's the perfect bag. So they come in a bunch of different colors. Amazon, did y'all know that? So if you're last minute gift shopping and your girl wants the Marc Jacobs tote bag, go ahead and order it on Amazon Prime. It's perfect. So the next thing is fragrance. Did y'all know that you could find fragrance on Amazon? What? Fragrance is so important, guys. Like, I love fragrance. I actually want to make a whole video about fragrance, you know, perfumes and stuff like that. Maybe soon I'll do one, but I love perfumes, and I feel like any girl does. And something about like someone gifting me fragrance just is so special to me. It means a lot to me. I love getting perfumes to add to my collection. So Amazon also has really popular perfumes and stuff on there. So if you're last minute shopping, browse through Amazon and see what you could stumble across, because you never know. The one that I'm going to talk about now, I actually got it on Amazon. It's already linked in my storefront. It's the Gold Fresh Tour perfume. I may not be saying that right, but I'll have a picture here so you know what I'm talking about. This perfume, I get so many compliments on it because it just smells so fresh. A great layering perfume. I like wearing this perfume and then adding like another perfume on top of it. It's very long lasting. It just gives you like a nice, radiant, like fresh, yummy smell. Okay, it's the perfect like everyday perfume. So, and I love the packaging. The packaging is beautiful, and it makes it a beautiful piece to add to your perfume collection. She's into making like coffees and teas. Get her a milk frother. I'm saying this and I'm like, I was about to make a matcha and I don't have a milk frother, and I'm like, man, that would be the perfect little like Christmas gift. I mean, I'm about to go order one myself, but like, if she's into making her own like, you know, coffees, when she posts like her little coffees on her TikToks and Instagram stories, like, go get the girl a frother. That's something very inexpensive and thoughtful that you could get for her. Like, if you see like she drinks coffee and stuff, like if you got her a milk frother, she would be like, whoa, like they're paying attention, you know what I mean? So that's a good one. Last but not least, I thought of this and I'm like, you know, it's the thought for me. It's like the thoughtfulness for me. So it's an air purifier, okay? It's an air purifier. If a girl, a guy, whoever in your life has a pet, aka look at little Dior, pets shed. Dogs, cats, hamsters, gerbils, whatever you have, pets shed, okay? And it doesn't matter how much, like I'll be sweeping, wiping things down, pet hair is gonna get everywhere, okay? And what I really want and what I think would be so thoughtful is an air purifier. There are air purifiers out there on the market that do a really good job at collecting the pet hair and dandruff out of the air and like sucking it in and like just cleaning the overall air in a space. And I think that is so important. And that would just be so thoughtful. Like, wow, you really thought of my health by getting me an air purifier. Like, so I really hope you enjoyed this quick little gift idea, last minute gift idea video. Everything that I mentioned in today's video will be linked down below in my Amazon storefront. I will talk to you guys very soon in the next one.